Are you looking to make your Instagram bio stand out from the crowd? In this video, I will show you how easy it is to add video creator to your Instagram bio. I'll go over the steps for adding this feature to your profile so that you can draw more attention to it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings. So now what you want to do next is select Account. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Switch to Professional Account. And then simply tap Continue for all of these. And now you have the ability to select the category of your account, so go ahead and tap on the search bar. Enter Video Creator. And select it. After that, make sure you have this turned on, otherwise, it won't show up in your profile. Display on Profile. Once you've done that, simply tap the Done button at the bottom center of the screen to save changes. Select Creator and tap Next. And then close this. As you can see right under my name now, it shows that I am a video creator. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.